Wow, vegan cow soy, delicious. Little restaurant right down from my place. First time trying it. I'll be back here for sure. Only 60 baht. You get free salad, free water. I'm impressed, you guys. That's delicious. That's delicious, man. Wow. It's really good. But yeah, this is a popular place. I can't believe I haven't tried it before. Got a huge vegan menu. And I can walk here. And I don't have to go to the mall. But I'll still go sometimes. Sorry, I'm all excited. It's delicious. Oh yeah, first day with the ponytail. Sorry about that. Here's the guys that cooked the perfect meal. What's your name?
My name is Sam.
Barry. Pleased to meet you. Yes, thank you. And this guy over here, he made some of it too.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Barry.
Yeah.
Wow, impressed. You guys are good cooks. That's one of the best meals I've had in Chiang Mai at any price, man. It's really good. Thank you. Wow. You get all this when you order too. That's your salad you get to add to it. Thank you. God, wow. So good. So you get free water. Wow. That is so good. This will be my regular stop all the time now. Look at this place, man. Look at this place. Wow. I just can't believe how good that is, man. That's delicious. Wow. Morning. Oh. Wow, I just want to show the outside here too. This is the place. See, and it's right across from this place. This is it here, man. This is something else. I could live in this restaurant. If all the food's that good. Okay, let's go. Okay. Get on the bike. Look at that. I was just talking to this lady and she has this little rig. It goes 45 kilometers an hour. So when a guy has to give up the motorbike, that's a great way to go. And you can ride those legally here. Isn't that great? Okay, Barry, get on the bike. You're too excited. That spicy meal got you going now. Woo. I didn't know what I wanted to talk about today, but man, you eat one good meal? Wow. Right. We're going to be doing some laundry today. I'm going to show you how I do my laundry, right? Okay, this is what you do. Open her up. Open up your soaper. Some soap here. I'll give you some scissors to cut it here. See? Just cut the top off. Oh, oh. Pour it in there. Throw the thing away. Close this. Throw your wash in. This is a Samsung, this machine. Throw all your clothes in there. See that? Close the lid. Remember to put your money in. This machine says 30 baht. One. It counts it as you go. 20. 30. And that's pretty much all you got to do. See, it starts to make noise. It spins it and weighs it and then decides how much water it's going to put in there. It even tells you how many minutes it's going to take. They usually take about an hour. And then we just hang them up, either in the room or on the deck, right? And they dry really fast. See, the machine's calculating right now. And oh yeah, it's February 21st today. I'd like to wish my dad a happy birthday. I hope he's happy and healthy, and see you when I get back. Hope you have a good one, Dad. See, it's starting to spin. Man, did I have a good lunch today. Whoa. See, spin, spin, spin. Does a little bit of that. Still spinning. We got a couple different machines here. Sometimes the higher capacity machines might be 10 baht more. But generally, and this I got a really big one over here for 50, right? Hi. How are you? Oh, what happened there? Ah, see, now the water's going in, you see? So all the soap's going in here. Yeah, it's telling me it's about 1 hour. It's filling right now. So I'll check the time when I get back up to the room and go from there. And the soap I bought, single serving soap like that is 10 baht. So you're 40 baht total. My lunch today, even with tip, was 100 baht. And it was more than I could eat. And that was with a Coke and free water. Thailand, you gotta love Thailand. I was kind of bummed out this morning, but after that good lunch, Okay, let's go. I'm still filming. I don't know why. This little place, you do this. It turns blue. Open the door. You go like this. We're heading up to the 8th floor. It's really weird. I'm on the 8th floor and my room is 808. It's, I don't know why that is. Numbers are weird, aren't they? Here it comes. And to prove it's me, it is me. Hit number 8. And off we go. Hats off to you. Hats off to you, Dad. And I'll say hi to the rest of the family, too. Hello, everybody back home. Son of mine, I hope you're doing well, too. And whatever else your endeavors are. Hope you're happy. And my long-lost brother, maybe one day we'll reunite and make amends. Who knows? Would be nice. But hey, I can live without you if that's what you want. Goes for the lot of you. Oh. Yeah, 808. Oh, okay. I'll open it for you. I'll open the door. There she be. Bye for now. Hey, man, is it bright out here. Yeah, and I just wanted to thank everybody that's been watching the videos and leaving all the nice comments. And I know Brock might be out there somewhere, and his girlfriend. I would say hi to them. I would say for all the thumbs up and all the nice comments, and gosh, that means a lot. And because I'm not doing it for that, so I'm really always surprised when I see those things. I just want it to be known that I read everything that comes on that thing, and I think about it. The only thing I don't do a lot of is answering them, because I'm always afraid of saying the wrong thing. But anyway, I'm going to concentrate on making videos. Please, you can leave all the comments you want, because I will read them and I do appreciate them. And there's another one at Chiang Mai. I don't know how many planes a day out of here, but there's a lot of them. It's a lot going on today in town, but I'm just doing a few domestic duties, got a few things. I did my workout a bit today and all that, but as usual. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I just hope everybody's well back home, right? And oh yeah, buddy Bill, of course, and Rue and his family. I hope everyone's well there too. I wish them well. And I do read all the comments, and they do it from you too. They mean a lot. it's good for now, unless I make more video later, but we're doing domestic stuff today. See you later. February 21st. Saturday, 2026. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Oi. Sorry I'm back so soon, but since I started on this path of clean living, right, and I give up everything, any kind of, you know, like I said, coffee and the weed and that, I had this dream the other night. I've been starting to dream just in the last couple days again, and this dream, I'm in this place and somebody hands me the phone and he said it's that it was Donald was on the phone for me, so I pick up the phone and I can't remember how I said it, but it was anyway, hello Donnie or whatever, and yeah, this is Donald Trump. I said, how you doing? And he goes, I'm platinum. Or something to that effect. But yeah, Donald Trump gave me a shout. I don't know how he got my number. That isn't exactly how it went down. I remembered it word for word. If I think of the word for word again, I'll let you know. But he wanted me to know if I could help him with something platinum. Hey? Well, wouldn't that be something, hey? Donald Trump coming to me? I wonder why. Little update on my shoes, right? These babies, these flats, the really thin ones, great, man. I loved them. And right away, I could ride the motorbike better, I could walk better, everything. Wore them for 4 or 5 days, and then your feet start to get a little bit fatigued, right? I put a lot of miles on. Popped the old ones back on again, which felt like they were killing me. All of a sudden feel like they're brand new again because of the extra foam. So old man advice, swap your shoes back and forth, especially if they're completely different in the way they are. Like those Ultras got way more foam in them, even though they're zero drop like these ones. But yeah, it's good for your feet. Give them some variety. Don't make them do the same thing all day in and day out, right? Your fitties will thank you for it.